My beloved viewers, today is a Vijay Dasami. According to Hindu mythology, today is a day of victory. In the auspicious day, I am very happy and I record my pleasure that my friend, Mr. Balaji, formerly he was my student, now he is my family member. He is planning to start a coaching institute and named Guru's Institute. His attitude and his vision is, or the main objective of the institute is, to help the students doing CA, CMA, and ACS in the event of any doubts in the concept, any difficulty in understanding the concept, any difficulty in understanding the interpretation of the laws and all, he is willing to help. He wants to spread his knowledge to others. In this way, he wants to help. We cannot help by paying money and all this because we are all, he is not so rich or we are not so rich to give money, but we are ready to give our knowledge. That is the reason his attitude is to help others, particularly in this level of course. He is having a good team of friends. So he planned to start on Vijayadashmi day institute named as Guru's Institute. And you, the students community, should make use of Balaji's Institute for the doubt clarification and doubt clearance in doing problem. All this you can make use of it. He is building to help. His vision is to make this institute not a commercial motive, only service motive. So I have a service mind. Most of the students, they know me because I'm a teacher of LSS. Most of you might have not seen me. Only very rarely he knows me. That is the reason I want to help him. Definitely, I have no doubt about he will achieve. He is having a fantastic ideas of spreading the knowledge, his knowledge, helping others, especially the communities, especially the forward communities and other communities, those are lacking of economically, they are not sound. He wants to help. In this way, we are planned to help, including myself. We are ready to plan, we are ready to help you, and it is you to make use of Balaji at the best level. Remember, Balaji, I know him when he was doing CA Foundation itself, I know him. His father's ambition is he wants to obtain three qualification of three professional courses. That is, he wants to be a triplet of CA, ICAA, ACS. Already achieved ICAA, and the remaining course is in final. And 2021, I definitely, without any iota of doubt and confusions, I consider definitely he will be achieving the remaining two qualifications, thereby he will be a triplet. Nowadays, passing one professional course is very difficult, all India level professional course. We have cleared all the three mains. You have to think of his knowledge. His knowledge should not be idle. What is the use of person possessing a knowledge and without sparing? Knowledge should be spared by the teacher. Teacher will always spare his knowledge. Teacher is always a learning process. Whatever he learns, he has to achieve, he has to deliver, he has to make others to understand. Most of the teachers wants like him, the other person should come. When I was teaching to him, I said, you want to become like LSS. LSS, of course, achieved with 1 year, 2 years work, I called it. Now you have to finish your course. After passing the theory, your course, you have to choose a teaching profession. Teaching profession is a noble profession. We have a very good respect. If you are good teacher, good respect. You may be knowing most of the CS circles, you know. Each subject there are stalwarts. If you say accountancy, we used to remember Vijay Kumar. We costing we used to remember Pattabhiraman. Those days I'm talking. Nowadays the days have changed, persons have changed, teachers have changed, attitude changed, everything is changed. I'm talking my days I'm talking. So that is the reason I asked him to choose the teaching profession. He is getting a very good employment with this qualification he is getting. Job is running after him. He is not after a job. Jobs are running after him, but he is not taking. He is a very orthodoxical person. He is having a contention, not that he want to earn money and all. Contention is having. With that the contention, he started this coaching. Definitely, he will achieve. He has to achieve the venture. I wish him as a guru, as a well-wisher, as a friend, as a family friend. I bless him, but because of my age, I wish him as a well-wisher to achieve very all the best and very success in his venture. He will achieve. He will come out very successfully in this venture, and students are going to be benefited. I wish the team of his friends to help this attitude. I'm appreciating this type of attitude nowadays. Youngsters they are not getting. Youngsters' thoughts, attitudes, approach, everything will be different. This type of person's attitude in this age, at his age, is getting this type of attitude is a very rare incidences. Therefore, it is you, the students' community, should get a benefit without any hesitation. We are not going to charge money and all this. So, a very nominal amount we are going to charge, and that to help others. And you have to contact him. He is going to deliver about the class timings and all this. It is you to make use of him best because he's such a knowledgeable person. Whether others are certifying him as a knowledgeable person or not, I am certifying him. From his look, I know him. I assessed him the moment when he was in foundation student itself. I compared him. You come and take my chair, I said, in the CA Institute room number down floor. I asked. He was hunting for chair. His house full. Whenever I take classes, usually the class will be house full. So he is searching for a chair. At that time I said, you are like me. You are going to be like me. You take and come to this NSS chairs. I used to keep my chair vacant. I won't sit. I'm giving respect to my teacher. So I won't teach. I said, at that time itself I said, and now the days are rolls on. Now he is ICWA, CA final is going to write, EAC as final is going to write. It is you have to make use of such a talented persons you cannot see. Talented persons, he is not exhibiting. He is not advertising, I am a talented person. Getting is very rare, so it is you to make use of best. So his father's ambition is going to fulfill his ambition. My ambition also is going to be a triplet. Therefore, he is going to have a triplet in the new year 2021. He is going to bring a triplet of Balaji with the SAS, CA, ICWA. And he is going to get a very good name, teacher. Before wrapping up, this is my advice, my speech. I can quote. I am thin, he is thin. I am slim, he is slim. I am lean, he is lean. I am aged around 74. He is only age, lesser age. How LSS to mathematics? Mathematics means they will say LSS. LSS means they will say mathematics. In the same manner, he is going to achieve accountancy means Balaji means accountancy. The day is not far away. He is going to get this very soon. And he has to acquire, he has to spread his knowledge and help others. This is my wish. This is my ambition. We know one proverb in English. Attitude determines altitude. He is having a highest attitude, helping attitude. Deserving cases, he used to help. He used to teach whenever he is doing intermediate level. He used to teach for foundation accountancy. My friends, my students undergone. They used to tell he's very good at accountancy. Therefore, he has to be like LSS to teach. Because of his attitude is very good attitude, high attitude, he is also tall. You know, high attitude determines altitude. In his case, attitude determined altitude. That's the reason he is very tall. Not only tall in the height, he should be tall in all aspects. He should be in the peak of success. This is my wish. This is my blessing. This is my best. Thank you.